Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back from the wedding. Like I said, I was going to get back into doing some videos, and these are more, I wouldn't really call them Jeep review videos, but more along the lines of projects. So if you can remember, I got this Grand Cherokee here, all ripped apart. If you notice, the front end's off too. We weren't going to pull the motor. The block checks out okay, but it turns out the radiator, the old radiator, had a puncture in it. So what we're going to do today is replace the radiator. I got a brand new unit here, just an OEM. Don't mind all the fez and stuff on it. Packaging, styrofoam gets all over the damn place. It's pretty easy to install. I guess I'll just do this as a series. My goal for this is just to get the car running. Oh, see, the dang hood almost took me out. Always tries to take me out. So, I'm just saying. Yeah, we'll get the series going again. And I guess just keep it going. If you guys enjoy it, we'll see what other fun projects we got going on. And yes, I know I shaved. 30 days of leave goes by really quick. All right, let's do this. Just placed in for now. I got my little kickstand. Trice this thing up so it doesn't crash on me. I guess that needs to be replaced. Anyways, what we're looking at right now is this is the radiator here, the brand new factory unit. This is going to be mounted, and it just sits on this subframe assembly here, followed by the AC and then the transmission cooler there. So I have the hardware here. Got 6 that mount this this piece of the upper frame here that has the 2 horns and the latch. That's what this cable is for, the latch. And then these all just rest in place, right? You just got to align it all together. So nothing too hard about that. I'm gonna button it up, give you a little bit of a better example, and then I'll keep on filming. Okay. All right, guys. Here's a better look. So the coolers, radiator, they're all in place. Well, they're all just sitting right now, but they all clip together, so you got 4 mounting spots. So the radiator actually has a couple plastic clips that bolt in the oh my god, I'm drawing a blank. It's on the intercooler. Anyways, for the damn AC. So here this snaps in. Down here, this actually is just a little slot where we'll just call it the intercooler, where it rests. And then same thing at the bottom here. The transmission cooler, that's just mounted to the intercooler, the AC cooler, so I didn't have to disconnect anything there. So now how this is all secured is through these plastic brackets. So it covers up well, I guess they're more of a shroud, plastic shrouds. They'll go over here. Got some bolts, and they'll retain everything. Kind of crappy how it's just plastic holding in all this. It's unfortunate. Well, this is not a little buddy. I'm just kidding. Okay, we're gonna button it up some more, and then we'll do an update video. All right, guys. Got the rubber bracket fully installed. You got 6 bolts, 1 here, 1 underneath, 3rd holding the reservoir bottom. Thank God I have that. 2 here, and 3rd one back here. All right, so now I'm just gonna get the horns. Focus. This light. I get these horns back in place. Just bend back down like that. Pretty easy. There's the wire harness. Yeah. All right, we're gonna keep on trucking. Can you believe it's only 5 p.m.? Insane. Look at that. The storm's brewing. It's like racing the clock. All right, let's do it. All right. We got everything for the most part assembled. Horns, wire loom, damn motion light. All right, I guess the next spot's the grill. So I'm still trying to figure out what this goes to. We'll figure it out as we go. Of course, with everything else, we'll make sure everything works before this thing even goes driving. Okay, next thing you'll see is a grill on. Okay, yeah, sorry, just real quick before we put the grill on. I figured out what was wrong. Okay, hood latch. That went to the hood latch. It makes sense because if the hood's popped, the motor start's not gonna work. Okay, just had to reroute the wire. Okay, now for the grill. Okay, and she's in. Fully installed, believe it or not. You got 4 clips underneath here. Oh shit. Oh, hold on. There. Alright, so you got 4 clips that are here underneath, which attach the grill to the subframe that I installed, and then you have 2 bolts. One here, that rusty one. Yeah, right in there. And then one on the adjacent side. And that's it. That is it. Like I said in the beginning, this will be a series. The next portion is going to be cleaning up the block. I got the heads. If you look at my other video, you can see I got the heads back from the machine shop. So we'll be cleaning up the block, and we'll be installing some head gaskets.